The hairs on the back of your neck stand up. The basketball player hits the buzzer-beating fadeaway in pure flow. The artist looks at their work, and a small voice inside them tells them it's done, without understanding why. Instinct, intuition, and feelings are biological algorithms that have evolved over millions of years. They make us who we are. And yet, the story of artificial intelligence is often presented only through the lens of intellect, logic, and computational power. If instinct, intuition, and feelings played such a vital role in human development, what role should they play in the evolution of AI? And what role might AI play in their future? Will AI improve them in us or dampen them? Are machines developing their own forms of instinct, intuition, and feelings? And if they are, how will we know? These are questions without clear answers. But the first ones to help us think them through will be the artists.